Here I have OPPO F9 Pro, and let me show you how to enable here power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here upper bar, and if you would like to quickly enable power saving, let's use upper bar again and tap on power saving. The power saving is activated. Now you can use it, or you can also disable the power saving in the same way. If you would like to find the power saving settings, hold down on power saving icon for a few seconds, and here you can see the power saving information, some battery consumption statistics and other stuff. Here you can also enable and disable power saving, and you can configure the power saving here as well. For example, you can disable reducing the screen brightness, and you can also here use other stuff. For example, you can show battery percentage on the status. You can use smart power saving scenarios. For example, you can use the sleeping mode, and you can use the power consumption details. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.